Hi, friends! Welcome back to Giggle Toons. Today we're going to make magic milk. For this experiment, you'll need a plate of milk, some food coloring, a cotton swab, and dish soap. Hey, first drop some colors into the milk. Wow, look at those bright spots. Now let's dip our swab into soap and touch the milk. Whoa! The colors are dancing. But why does this happen? Milk has fat inside, and the soap pushes the fat molecules around. That makes the food coloring swirl like magic. And that's it for our magic milk experiment. Try it at home with your family and let us know your favorite colors in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun science.